It has been nearly 3 years now since the global pandemic changed life as we know it. Some businesses have started to recover from the damage caused to their supply chains, while others are still trying to find their way out of the rough water. Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video I am going to talk about 4 ways to improve food supply chain in 2023 using blockchain technology. In food supply chains, the main areas which got impacted were number 1, farming, number 2, logistics, number 3, food processing plants, number 4, food retailers and grocers. Supply chain managers in the food sector are trying to overcome these challenges with digital solutions and strategic thinking to optimize supply chain and logistic operations. Let's talk about 4 ways supply chain managers in the food sectors can optimize operations to overcome current and future challenges. Number 1, automating demand planning. One of the main problems during the pandemic was a lack of planning for the demand surge. When people started panic buying food, the suppliers did not have enough stock to replenish in time, which resulted in empty shelves at the retailers and resilient and accurate demand planning can help supply chain managers prepare for future uncertainties. Supply chain managers can leverage demand sensing technology to improve their predictive capabilities. Demanding sensing uses innovating methods such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data capturing and processing to accurately forecast demands. Number 2, optimize inventory and logistics operations. Digital solutions are helping optimize inventory management to reduce waste in the food supply chains and bring inventory faster to store shelves. Artificial intelligence enabled inventory management software can analyze historical and real time data to anticipate stock outs and suggest optimal adjustments to demand and supply. Since food is perishable, it cannot be stored for a long period. Therefore, AI can help reduce inventory levels and waste that is created during the storage of excess food produce. At the logistic end, robotic automatic can significantly improve food warehouse operations to overcome the shortage of workers in the food sector and help speed up operations in the agriculture sector, which is the main source of food. Number 3, improve sustainability. The food industry accounts for 35% of the total global greenhouse gas emission. Global food supply chain managers need to refocus on sustainability since it has benefits beyond the environmental areas. Number 4, improve supply chain traceability. The demand for fair trade products continues to grow. Supply chain managers in the food sector must know how and from where the supply is procured, whether it's daily groceries for a supermarket or raw materials for a food processing plant. Supply chain managers must ensure that the supply is ethically and sustainably produced and delivered. This significantly improves the company's reputation and makes the brand attractive to suppliers and other business partners to work with. The use of blockchain technology can help improve supply chain traceability in the food sector. IBM Food Trust is a global blockchain network that allows businesses to achieve true supply chain transparency and traceability. So I hope the above discussed concepts are clear. In case you have any query, you can put your queries in the comment section for me to help you out. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell because after that only you will be getting the notifications of my latest uploads. See you in the next video.